Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning precision aiming on or off on Garena Free Fire. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Enabling or disabling precision aiming is easy. From the main dashboard of the app, tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen. In settings, select controls from the left sidebar. Here in the controls section, the first option is called Aim Precision. You can change it between default, precise on scope and full control. Once you are done, tap the X button at the top right to go back to the dashboard. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Garena Free Fire tips and tricks.